Hi, I'm RWoodruff here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon with BISH'S RV. Today we've got a 35F Winnebago Adventurer. This is a brand new 2022 model. It's got the new Ford engine. Love the new V8 engine. More horsepower, more torque. This is going to be a real quick overview because there is so much to talk about with this coach that just can't get it done unless you want to watch an hour-and-a-half video. People don't. I'm not that pretty. We got the outside TV, DVD, theater system out here. Sit underneath your awning, power awning by the fire, watching a movie with the kids, the grandkids, the spouse. Wonderful. Great storage throughout. A place to leash up the dog right there by the door so the dog can enjoy the camping, or a cat if you have one of those. I never could get my cat on a leash. Just not a good plan. So great storage, big tires, the 22-inch wheels and tires, big brakes, big bearings, smooth ride, very efficient. We got a great tow hitch on the back here. This one is currently rated for 5,000 pounds. So you can pull 5,000 pounds with this, depending on how much weight you have on the inside. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff to go over with this coach. Love the plumbing center, very clean. It's a typical Winnebago efficiency. Love it. And you can see all the storage along the side here. Propane tank is now on the passenger side for this one. Good sized tank. Full body paint. 3D decals. Winnebago Adventurer 35F. Looks sharp. Quick overview. Let's go inside. I got to show you where the real stuff happens. This coach has got a backup camera. It's got side cameras. Love this. Love that little window right there. My dog will be sitting right there looking out that window. We've got the brand new Ford cockpit. Like the smart steering wheel here. Automatic hydraulic leveling. Again, this is the 7.3 Ford V8 with an automatic manual transmission. Your chairs spin around, become part of your living room. We've got a booth dinette, makes into a bed. We've got the big L sofa. I've got it opened up for you so you can see what it looks like in the open position. Straight across from the TV, right across from the fireplace. Electric fireplace, doesn't have an actual fire in it. Just looks like it. Storage throughout. Everybody's gone to the new condenser refrigerators. Big, useful, built-in ice maker, just like home. Very energy efficient. Love it. Put a lot of food in there. This unit is a bath and a half. 35F with the bath and a half. So if you have guests up front, they don't have to come into the bedroom to use the facilities. Back here in the bedroom, we've got a queen size bed. It's brand new for 2022. Love the way they've done this. New countertops, nice storage area, power on both sides of the bed, 120 volt, as well as USBs. Straight across from the bed, again, the TV's in the right place. 2 air conditioners, a lot of storage. All the way back here, we've got the big shower. That's huge. Nice bathroom back here. This unit has a lot of sleeping potential. We have 4 different beds in this unit. Okay, so if you want to take the whole gang with you, you can. The sofa makes into a bed. The booth dinette makes into a bed. We've got the walk around queen bed and back. And up front, we even have a drop down bed. I love this. It comes down quickly, easy, smooth. One of the best beds there is. This is a full-size bed. It's very comfortable. And it acts as a panini press. Somebody doesn't get up in time, push the button. I'm Roger with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you for taking a quick overview of this 35F 2022 Adventure. If you have any questions about it or any others, give me a call. Have a great day. Thanks.